Hello dear students, how are you all? Fine, no? Okay, and I hope you are going through that videos properly and trying to understand the meaning and main theme of the story and getting ready for the test on Sunday, right? And now I'm here with the chapter 7, no, class 7, chapter 9, and the name of the poem is Garden Snake. All of you are having that ideas about snakes, right? And whenever you are listening and wherever you are getting the word snake, all are getting fear, Even I also. I don't like snake. I'm very afraid of snakes, very much afraid. And I think you have seen, all of you have seen, maybe in real life or in movies, or if you went for educational trip, there also, even I went that Hingalgarh, and there the python was kept on my shoulder and hands, and different kinds of the snakes. They asked to touch them, they asked to feel them. They will not harm you, they will not bite you until and unless you are hurting them. So when I was in previous school, from there I went to Hingalgarh, okay, for that educational trip. There, my God, I was so scared, I was so afraid of snakes, and that day, you don't know, I will show you photographs if I get time. You will see my faces, this much long and thick, my God. And even, they showed us that where they lay eggs, two modern container was there, the what is called pitcher, and inside the pitcher, that's python goes inside, went inside, and just coiled it to cover the eggs, I saw. And different types of, even I hold two-faced snake also. And oh my God, I can't even explain how it was. But this is not like that. It is not, all snakes are not harmful, right? So in this book we'll come to know about the child who is very scared of snakes, and how does, or how did his mother make him understand that all snakes are not dangerous, and you need not to fear, you need not to get worried about snakes. So first I will read out the poem. I saw a snake and ran away. Some snakes are dangerous, they say, but my mother says that kind is good and eats up snakes for this food. Mother says all maximum people, they say that snakes are very dangerous, but all not say it like that. All maximum of them say that snakes are very dangerous. But my mother told, means that boys, the narrator's mother told that it's not like that. All snakes are not dangerous. You just allow them to move. You just allow them to pass away. They will not harm you. And it's good to be that garden, good to be snakes in the garden, because they eat up snakes. They eat up snakes as insects for his food. So our garden will be very clean, and it will be free of that insects and all small insects. Snakes eat up. So this way, this is good. Garden snakes are not harmful. So when he wiggles in the grass, I will stand aside and watch him pass and tell myself there's no mistake. It's just a harmless garden snake. Then, as Mama told, as his mother told कि these are not harmful, these are good for garden, to keep our garden insects free, and they will not harm you. Just see, just stand aside and let it go, let it wiggles, you know the movement of snake, that zigzag movement. Okay, so let it go, and you just see, they will not harm you. And then he said, yes, my mother, and I tell myself, मैंने खुद अपने आप को बताया, yes, I observed they are not harmful. If I am keeping myself aside to watch it, they will not harm, and they will move away slowly, and it's just a harmless garden snake, I felt. So hope you understood all about snake. All snakes are not harmful, and you know the places of snakes where you can see snakes. You can see snakes in pond, in the garden, in roadside, on the roadsides also, even hills areas also. So you can see, and there are different species of snakes. They are of different color also. They are very beautiful looking, you know, they look very beautiful. Okay, so don't get afraid, don't hurt them, they will not hurt you. Okay, thank you so much.